Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, again, we still have this 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor, and it has a complaint of clunking sound at the rear. So today I will be showing you which is the common parts that causes that clunking sound. So over here, underneath your car, this one, this sway bar link bushing is the most common issue of this Mitsubishi. Same thing right there. So for today we'll be changing this bushing. So alright, let's do it. Alright, so let's remove it. It's number 14. Alright, there we go. Alright, one bolt. So one more. Alright, let's do the one on the top. Alright. It's the pushing. Alright. Alright. Alright, so we'll be using this brand Moog. Now let's put the brand new one. So we're just gonna do like this, and that's it. That's it. Now let's put the bracket on. Alright guys, so it's a little bit off, so we need to push this up a little bit. So we're using a jack. So we'll jack this. I guess that's it. Now we can put the bolt. Oh, perfect. And then the one here. Oh, right, that was easy. We'll just tighten it. Perfect. Alright. Alright. So there you go. Now it's already tight. You gotta check this right there. Now let's do the other one, but same procedure. Alright, so in this side you need a, I think, 12-inch extension, so you can access the one below. Alright, so we already finished that side. This side is a little bit hard. I think we gotta lower down this muffler because we don't have access the one on the top. But for now, let's remove the one at the bottom. Alright, I guess that's it. That's the one at the bottom. Come on. It will come off. Hold on. So alright guys, I just removed this bracket right here so that we can lower the muffler and we can get that bolt right there. See it? Now I can use my this one long extension, and I did remove this. Now let's put back the new one, right? So I already put the new one, bushing right here. Now let's put the bracket. Alright guys, so I already put back the bushing right there. That's it. New bushing, and I'm just gonna put back the bracket for the muffler right there. And I did also remove this, by the way. So 2 bracket for your exhaust, and pretty much that's it. It's already tightened. It's already tight. This is just the hardest part, the hardest side. The one on the other side is super easy, but this one, it took me a couple of minutes to do it. There you go. So alright, there you go guys. That's how you replace rear sway bar bushing for 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor. So on the rear left side, it's easy, super easy, but on the rear right, it's a little bit tricky. But again, the technique is lower down your muffler, so remove 2 bracket, and you will be having enough space to remove those 2 bolts. I couldn't get a good video because there's a lot of parts blocking my blocking the bolts. But anyway, there you go. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below, and also consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.